Alaris infusion pump channels and infusion equipment auto-associate to the patient when the equipment is scanned during the administration process, which will be reviewed later in the subsequent infusion workflow sections. However, bedside devices, such as continuous monitors, and for facilities that use integrated ventilators, this equipment must be associated to the patient upon placement or as soon as possible. To associate devices such as continuous bedside monitors, click the Patient Device Association tab in iAware for the patient. The tab displays in two sections. The first half displays all associated devices for the current patient. The lower half is a device search field that will allow the user to search for a device to associate to the patient. Before we associate any devices to our patient, we need to first review all associated devices listed for the patient currently in the upper window. If there was a device listed that was inappropriate or not attached to your patient, we would place a check mark next to the device, and then the Disassociate button would be available for selection. To associate such a bedside monitor to our patient, click the Device field. We are now ready to go to the patient's bedside and scan the barcode label on the front of the device or on the wall for the patient's room. The device will be listed and highlighted yellow. If a yellow triangle and exclamation point is displayed next to the device name, then we have an indication that that equipment is already associated to another patient. If we continue with the association process, an alert is going to display to verify we want to proceed. Click the Associate button to proceed. The alert clarifies again that we want to continue the association process. Click Associate. The device moves up to the Associated Devices section and is now associated to the current patient. If a device was placed on the patient for a while before being associated, click the Associated Date and Time link to back associate. And then click Associate. If the device was associated to a previous patient, we will receive confirmation window to continue with the back association. You would click Associate. Bedside devices may also be associated from the Associate Device icon located on the I&O iFlowsheet. When the Associate Device icon is clicked, the window displays the Associate Device section in the upper half of the screen and a device search field in the lower half, just like iAware's Patient Device Association tab we recently reviewed. The functionality is the same to add, view, and disassociate devices.